Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain provide inject concept in vue.js. So in Vue, provide inject, these two APIs are very interesting APIs in Vue.js. So what is the use of these APIs? I'll explain you now. So here I have one parent component called app.view, and also I have created three components X, Y, Z. Okay, so consider the scenario. Suppose if I want to pass the username from app component to Z component. Okay, here how many components we have here? X, Y, Z. So in the app component, within the app component, I have component X, and within the component X, I have component Y. Within the component Y, I have component Z. Okay, so how to pass the username from parent component, that is app to Z. Okay, so in the normal operation, you can use props concept. So using props, you can pass the data from app to X and X to Y, Y to Z. Okay, so here, what is the difficulty here? We need to pass the data from parent component and to X and Y and Z. So without using props in the intermediate components, how to pass the data from app to Z directly. So this is the concept here. So how to pass the data from app.view to component Z directly. So for this purpose only, we need provide inject concept here. So this is a very interesting API here. So I'll explain you now. So already I have created component X, component Y, and component Z. So see here in the app.component, the last video I have explained how to create a new component and how to import it, how to use it. Okay, just view the last video if you have any doubt. So here in the parent component, first include component X. Okay, so this is component X. Import the component X from the particular path, and this is the components property. And component X, I have component Y, so import component Y, and in component Y import component Z, and the final child component is component Z. Okay, so I'll explain you now. So we have a data property. This is components property. Suppose if I want to pass username from app component to component Z. Okay, so provide, which is used to provide the value in the app component, and inject, which is used to inject the value in the component Z. So the first, define the provide API here. So provide. So in the data property, you can define any name, that is username. Just I'm giving John. Okay. And after defining this name, the next step is you can define the provide concept here. So provide here return username. So username this dot name, because I need this name only. So provide, I'm going to return this name as a username. That is John. It's my name. I am going to pass this name as a username here. So this dot name, this dot name. I'll close this. You can also print this username in the template section. You can use any tag to display this username. That is name. So the name of the username is John here. Just close it. That's all. And go to the Z component, and here you can use inject. So after the name of the component, you can include this inject property, use array to display the username. So this inject will help you to get the data value from app component directly. Okay. So without using prompts in the intermediate components, you can directly get the values from the app component. And now you can bind this value. You can use any tag to display this username. Yes, now you can see here. So this is component X, component Y, component Z. So John, this is the name of the username. I'm passing this username from app component to component Z without using props in the intermediate components. So this is the use of provide and inject. So these two APIs will help you to pass the data directly from parent component to child component. Okay, thank you.